Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete charts in Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are wondering how can you delete your charts, then just go ahead and log into your Claude account and open this sidebar here to see more options, and here you'll be able to see all your charts that you recently created. So if you want to eliminate or delete the whole chart, you can see if I open this, you can see it is a thread. It might have some conversations or several charts. You can delete the whole of it by just simply going to this ellipsis and click on it, and here you should see you have an option to delete it. So if you go ahead and delete, tap on this, now you can see we have an option to delete, and here we go. Now the chart has been deleted and removed from my recent tabs here. So that's how you can permanently delete charts on Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.